I'm Nan Simonson. I am a nationally board certified health and wellness coach. I teach whole food plant-based cooking. I have been whole food plant-based for 8 years. I wrote this book talking about it when I was 70. I just finished my second book. I'm 75, 5 years later. This is just the artist's proof. And so it has a band across it that says not for resale, but on December 13th, it will be available. And anyone that buys it by that day is going to get, and sends me the receipt, will be getting a either an option of a cook, eat, and live, 7-hour video and 28 recipe series, or actually package, or a 7-day reset package. I'm saying all this quickly because we have about a week before that time, and you will see this video before that. Maybe just soon before that, but before that, I hope. Anyway, okay. I am going to throw together something that I made, a year or two ago, maybe 3, and put on a video, but I want to show it to you now because this evening we're going to someone's house for dinner, and I am bringing corn muffins to go with her stew and to go with some roasted root vegetables, glazed roasted root vegetables that are in the oven that I just did a video on just a couple of minutes ago. Okay, first of all, we're going to be making corn muffins that are whole food plant-based. So I have cornmeal here, and I have oats that were whirled up in my blender to create flour. And I have a little salt, some baking soda, and some baking powder. And I'm putting all of those together, and they're going to go in the wet ingredients. And they're going to go in the oven. Let me make sure it's on. It is for about 20 minutes. And we will have muffins that have time to set up before we leave for our get-together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix together this is already mixed, almond milk and flaxseed. That's called a flax egg. And when you do that, usually it's about a tablespoon to flax to 3 tablespoons of liquid. This was a tablespoon and a half of flax to a cup of almond milk. So it's more than just the flax egg. It's the almond milk that has the flax just softened. Ooh, guess what's ready? I'm going to say excuse me a minute, but it gives me a chance to show you what you will be able to find a video on, and that is the roasted vegetables. This is, can you see? I'm going to glaze them with a little bit more balsamic vinegar, and this is parsnip and carrot and beet, 2 kinds of sweet potato, white sweet potato and orange sweet potato. And then I have a pot over here full of scarlet runner beans that I'm putting together for baked beans for another get-together for tomorrow. So this is just a really busy kitchen day. That's the way I like to do it. Okay, so, and that will be very pretty when I have it on the platter and it's glazed again. And I'm going to put a sprig of rosemary because I threw some rosemary in the last 15 minutes. Okay, so what do I have? I have the almond milk, I have date paste, and applesauce. Isn't this a simple combination to make muffins out of? They are dense. I don't want this to be boiling too much. They are dense muffins, and they're wonderful that way. And I'm going to put in applesauce. And then put the dry ingredients, and then one special kind of fun ingredient. And you'll see that in a minute, it's right in front of me. I have the oven set to 375. Add, I can't turn this to you. Well, there you go, yes I can. And I'm going to add the dry to the wet. And let's get it mixed up. So it's very slightly sweet. You don't want to over mix it. The baking soda and baking powder are already doing their thing. I love these Tovolo silicone spatulas. And now what I'm adding, you can see it, is corn. But it's just a cup of corn, but this happens to be roasted corn. I think that's going to be interesting to look at and good to taste. Okay, and I'm just turning that in. Again, I don't want to over mix it. I'll beat out all of its bubbliness that's going on right now. Is that a word, bubbliness? Okay. And I'll keep this here to get to the very bottom when I'm ready. At the very end of my scooping. I like to use an ice cream scoop over. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to taste this. That is so good. That is really good. Okay. So let's see. Am I going to want that much? Yeah, that's fine. The thing that took time here was just measuring things, because you see how quickly this goes together. And it's the batter right now is foamy. And this will give it its lighter texture. I'm hoping I get 12 out of here with the amount I'm using, but if I don't, I don't care. I like this amount. And they'll rise a little, not a lot, when you're using, when you don't have wheat and you don't have wheat gluten holding everything together, and you don't have, and you have these heavier grains and heavier ingredients. They don't rise as well, but it just doesn't matter, because you still have a nourishing, really nourishing, delicious end product. You know, my feeling is I can eat food that my body loves, or I can eat food it doesn't. Eat food that's anti-inflammatory, or eat food that is healing. And I always choose to make the choice that long term will serve me well as I age powerfully. So people say, what is the book about? Of course they're going to say that. And it is more of a workbook. It's a sequel to the first that has more of the how-to than the other one. And it's, I'm going to take a little of that off and put it here. And it's a wonderful addition to the book, or it can stand on its own. Just in time for holiday gift giving. I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm going to do this. Sorry for the noise. And this is going to go into my Breville oven. Let me make sure it's 20 minutes. Yeah, bake it for 20 minutes, 375. So in just a few minutes, I've got that. Clean up the kitchen and head off for the evening. Change and head off for the evening. Thank you for being with me. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. And I'm going to link, what you're going to get the recipe is a link to my website. You can go straight to the website, go to recipes, and just say corn muffins, or and I'll also have a link to the video that I shot a long time ago that also has the link to the recipe if you just want to check that out. Okay, have a good day. I know I'm going to. Bye bye. Well, I'm back, and this is going to go on two videos. The video on which I showed how to make these wonderful roasted vegetables, and the video on which I made the corn muffins. And I'm going to break one open. Ooh, should I? Yes. Look. Doesn't that look great? Yay! Okay. Actually, I'm going to bring the tray with me. I think I'm going to keep two to keep here. Sorry, I disappeared. Anyway, okay. So that's that. I hope you got something out of this. I loved doing it. And remember, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, consider aging powerfully, and aging powerfully, the journey continues. It's a package deal of aging with power at 75. I kind of think like I know what I'm doing now. I did at 70 and more so now. Bye-bye.